Ever wondered how a $500 leather bag is made from scratch? Watch every machine and Caucasian female worker in her late.
You won't believe the level of detail and craft that goes into a premium leather bag. Every cut, stitch, and polish revealed.
Stay till the end to see the final leather bag come to life. Wait, it's a process you've never seen anywhere else.
Inside the factory where luxury leather comes alive, see how machines and skilled workers create perfection.
From raw hide to luxury bag in hours. See the full step-by-step process inside America's most precise leather factory.
Watch till the end and see the bag come to life. And don't forget to like and subscribe, or you'll regret missing this craft magic.
Keep it moving slowly to the left. Watch the tail. Gate mechanism engaged.
Got the sample. Vitals look good.
Heart rate is steady, doctor. Push it further down.
Got it. Looks good for the tunnel.
Utilizing state-of-the-art CNC technology, we trace precise patterns onto the finest golden leather, ensuring a perfect cut every time.
Pass me the brass zippers, please.
Here you go. Are these the right ones?
Yes, those are perfect for the caramel leather.
Clear this one for assembly.
Wait, the color saturation is off on the edge. Reroute it to the repair station.
The automated cycle is complete on this batch.
And the manual test results.
All within tolerance. Ok, la siguiente caja va aquí.
Entendido, muevo esta.
The optimized routing algorithm has increased throughput by 20% this quarter.
And the error rate remains negligible.
Revisen la carga para el envío prioritario.
Todo listo, señor. Los códigos están correctos.
Excelente. Que lo lleven al muelle 2.
Bring the next pallet in slowly. Roger that. Secure the straps on this one now.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance.
Got it. Stacking against the wall now.
Reroute the Busan shipment to Bay 12.
Confirmed. Scanning now.
Check the count on the Lion leather bags for aisle 5.
Looks accurate. 72 units verified.
The AGV is bringing the next one now.
Copy that. Making room.
Our professional logistics team ensures the swift and secure transport of every Lion leather bag shipment.
Pallet 34 is clear.
I have 2 damaged boxes here. Need to process a return.
Okay, that's style M402 confirmed.
And the count is accurate on the manifest.
Yes, moving to the next box now.
Gently with that clasp, please. We want the light to hit the engraving.
Understood. I think this display is ready.
We use only the finest Lion leather, ethically sourced, of course. The main compartment here is quite
Scanning the last item now. Please ensure the Lion leather bags are handled with care during wrapping.
Yes, understood.
Here's your receipt. Thank you for your purchase.
All 25 accounted for.
Confirmed. Inventory updated. Moving to shipment.
Here is your package bag, sir.
Thank you. The craftsmanship is stunning.
And here is your receipt, madam. We hope you enjoy it.
We have processed the exchange for the Lion leather duffel. Here is your service record.
Thank you. The craftsmanship is truly exquisite.
Yes, confirming the Q3 leather shipment. We need 500 hides by the 15th. Please expedite through the usual channel.
Measurement confirmed. This one is good to go.
As you can see, the texture is incredibly resilient yet supple.
And the clasps, are they solid brass?
Oh, it's absolutely stunning.
How does that look from your angle?
It's aligned perfectly now. We're ready for the launch.
Lion leather tote, serial 8902.
Logged. Total count is 45.